Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome to the GoPro Hero 9 first impressions video. Now this is just going to be the simplest, most straightforward video possible so you can know exactly what you're going to get out of your GoPro. We're using a couple of the cinematic settings to make it look a little nicer and a little easier to color grade in post, but we're going to keep it pretty simple besides that. Everything you're seeing, everything you're hearing, including this right here, all coming straight out of the GoPro, no adjustments made. It really is just going to be a little bit of color grading in post, and I'll include at the end the extra cut of everything uncolor graded so you can see the difference that color grading makes in this cinematic setting that we've got here. Alright, let's do this.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you.
The park!
We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you.
Hold on.
So hold me tight.
This is Disneyland training.
It's just us two, me and you.
24.
Being more than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay.
Okay, where do you want to go?
Every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you.
You made it! Yay!
I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars.
Okay, so that wraps up the cinematic edit, what it would look like if we actually went through the full effort of color grading, cutting it, retiming it. So let's show you the raw footage here.
Okay.
A couple things I'm immediately noticing is the audio quality is surprisingly good in these clips. If you look at the very first clip, where I was introducing this video, there was some weird audio popping. I'm not sure exactly what the cause of that is, but it is there.
Hi! Whoa!
1 month, Lucy.
I'm super impressed by the stabilization. We're not really trying, we're just run and gunning this. And it's coming out really good. So props to GoPro for really upping their game with Hypersmooth. It came out really good.
Woo!
Now, if you're not familiar with color grading, if this footage looks really washed out to you, that's kind of the point of the log color format there, is to make it so that you can edit it a lot more easily in post. So if you want an idea of what it actually looks like coming raw out of the camera with the default settings, the time-lapse clip at the end is the one that is just set to raw color settings, the default color settings coming right out of the camera.
Okay, where do you want to go? Over here?
Overall, though, the diversity of the shots you can get, the stabilization, the color quality, the image quality, it's all really impressive. We'll definitely have to do a deeper dive and a full review later once we've had more time to actually play with this camera. But so far, color me impressed. Woo! Now, just to be clear, this narration is happening in post. It's just the microphone hooked up to my computer that I use for narrating all my videos. This isn't the actual audio coming out of the GoPro, because why would I record narration on a GoPro and then put it on the computer? All right, now this next clip, this is the raw color with the default settings. So this is what the color on your GoPro will normally look like coming straight out of it. All right, I hope you guys have enjoyed this first impressions video of the GoPro Hero 9. If you're looking forward to seeing more, especially the full review where we go into detail about the things we do and don't like about the GoPro, make sure you like and subscribe below so that you don't miss a video. All right, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.